Sage CRM provides tight integration with Microsoft Outlook for your contacts, calendar, and email. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the synchronization of contacts between Sage CRM and Outlook. So let's jump right in and get started. We'll first synchronize some contacts from Sage CRM over to Outlook. To do this, we'll need to flag the people that we want to synchronize. This is done on the Contacts tab that you'll find under My CRM. We can make our selections here using either the Add Contacts or Add Group of Contacts buttons. The Add Group button allows you to quickly add people who meet preset criteria, such as those where you're the account manager or the assigned user for communications, opportunities, or cases. But we're not going to use this method. We're going to use a more ad hoc method that the Add Contacts button offers. Here we have a finder that's in the person context, and we'll use it to show all of the people associated with the company Gatecom. We can individually select them, or we can use the Select All box. And now hitting the Add button places them on the contact screen, ready for synchronization. You can also add people to the Contacts tab directly from their summary screen. To demonstrate this, let's jump to one of our customers, Colin Smith, using the Recent List. And this is Colin's summary page. Notice the Add to Contacts button on the right side. Let's hit the button, and as you can see, its label now reads Removed from Contacts. Let's confirm that it was added to the Contacts page by clicking My CRM, and there's our newly added contact. Now we're ready to go over to Outlook and perform the synchronization. First, we need to make sure that we're logged in, which we'll do by clicking the CRM button in the Outlook menu bar, and we'll hit Log On, and Sage CRM opens within our Outlook screen. Now let's view our Outlook contacts by clicking the Contacts button, and you can see that we've got one contact in Outlook. Importantly, this contact currently exists only in Outlook. We're ready now to bring over the people that we flagged on the Contact tab in Sage CRM, and we'll do this by going to Outlook's menu bar and hitting the Sync button. And there are the 4 contacts from Sage CRM. If we highlight a synchronized contact, we can view their Sage CRM record by hitting the View Contact button. Now let's go back to our Outlook contacts and look at what happens when we edit a synchronized contact. We'll use Colin Smith's record, which we'll double-click to open, and let's add EY to his last name and save and close the record. Now I'll hit the Sync button and switch back to Sage CRM. To see the update, we need to refresh Colin's summary screen by clicking the Summary tab. And there you can see that the edit made to the contact in Outlook has been synchronized to the contact record in Sage CRM. Now let's hit Change and delete the EY here and save the change. And jumping back to Outlook and hitting Sync, you can see that the change made in Sage CRM is reflected here, confirming that the sync is bidirectional. Now let's look at how you synchronize a contact that originates in Outlook over to Sage CRM, and we'll use Jim Pearl for our example. Note that you can synchronize contact records with or without an associated company, and notice that this contact record does include a company. So moving forward, we need to make sure that the contact is highlighted, and up in the toolbar, you'll notice an Add Contact button, which is what we use to synchronize from Outlook to Sage CRM. So let's go ahead and hit the button. Here you can see that the deduplication function has identified 2 potential matches in Sage CRM. If either of these were a match, then we would click on the matching company's link. For this example, let's assume that this company is not associated with the 2 shown on the screen, and we'll go ahead and click the Ignore Warning and Enter Company button. Here we're shown the Add Company screen, and notice that it's been populated with the information from Outlook, and we can add additional information at this point. Let's go ahead and hit Save, and the new company and person records are created in Sage CRM. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at a number of settings in Outlook and Sage CRM that control the behavior of the synchronization. In Outlook, you'll find them under Tools, CRM, Options. By setting the Sync Every field to 0, synchronization becomes a manual process that will only occur when you click the Sync button in Outlook. If you set the time to any number greater than 0, it will automatically run the synchronization according to that interval. We'll go ahead and enter 10 minutes. If you want to be warned of conflicts or deletions, you can edit these settings as necessary. Importantly, the settings here are user-specific. Now we'll take a look at the global synchronization settings in Sage CRM that affect all users. You'll find these settings under Administration, Users, User Configuration, and we'll hit Change. In order for the Outlook integration to be available, you must set the Use Outlook plugin field to Yes. Under One-Way Synchronization, you can set it to No, which results in bidirectional synchronization, or you can make it one-way in the direction you desire. If you set Synchronize Outlook deletions to Yes, then deleting contacts from Sage CRM or from the Contacts tab in Sage CRM will result in their deletion from Outlook the next time the synchronization runs. And finally, the Synchronize Outlook contact field allows you to enable or disable the ability to synchronize Outlook contacts. So to recap, Sage CRM provides tight integration with Microsoft Outlook that lets you synchronize information between these two vital applications. In this tutorial, we've shown you how to synchronize your contacts, so now give it a try on your Sage CRM system. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in Sage CRM. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.